Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. If you wanna eat something yummy and delicious, then this recipe is for you. You can just prepare this within few minutes and you can enjoy this taste. Watch the video till the end and you can have an amazing recipe. Now I have taken large onion and 4 to 5 green chilies and spring onions and chives. These are available in the market. Winter is here and you can find them everywhere in the market. So chives are ribbon in shape and these are spring onions. If you cut them, you can get these ring shapes. Okay, so these are two different things, but they taste yummy. And here I have taken green peas and also 2 medium tomatoes chopped. Now put it aside and take a pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and allow the oil to heat. Once the oil is heated, add our onions and green chilies and green peas and allow them to fry nicely until the onions turn smooth or transparent. Close the lid and allow them to fry for 1.5 minutes on medium flame. Now once the onions turn smooth and soft, add our tomatoes and then stir it nicely and again close the lid and allow the tomatoes also to turn smooth and soft. And it takes maximum 1 minute to 1.5 minutes again on medium flame. And once the tomatoes turn soft, add ginger garlic paste. A teaspoon of it will do good and give it a nice stir till the rawness in the ginger garlic paste gets away, and then add coriander powder and roasted cumin powder and give it a quick stir. Now that aroma itself gives an amazing yummy flavor, Now add a pinch of turmeric and then I have added half a tablespoon of chili powder. Now if you want to skip this, you can skip this directly. Do not add turmeric and chili powder. Instead, you add green chilies, more of it. Then you can have that amazing taste. Now once you fry it, you can see that oil leaves the pan of the edges, and that's it. This is the time you need to add your chives and spring onions into it. Now spring onions and chives, these are very tasty and also healthy, and these gives an amazing flavor to the rice. Now here I have added I have cooked rice and put it aside. And now add the rice little by little. Do not add the entire rice at a time because you don't know the quantity and how much the rice absorbs the spring onions and all these things. So for me, it took 3 cups of rice, cooked rice. You add little by little and then stir it nicely. Do not over stir it so that the rice grains may break and that doesn't give an amazing texture. Okay, so stir it nicely and just gently from the bottom you need to spread it nicely, and that's it. On top of it, if you want to have lemon juice, just sprinkle on top of it and enjoy this. Isn't it tempting and easy also? So go give it a try. These spring onions are very rich in vitamin C, and also they help fight our illness and they give more immune system, and also they gives more strength to the bones also. So with these health benefits in this winter season, don't miss this recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please subscribe.